were not indicated. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Bend, Mequon, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Port Washington, Jackson, Soapville, Bayside, Shanesville, Germantown, Fredonia, River Hills, Newark, Wildwood, Turkane, and Keels. People attending Germantown concerts in the park should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Actually, we got the organic soy sauce in the fridge too. Because they're getting the cheap ones in the packets.
So where's the thunderstorm?
Over here.
Alright.